Welcome to the next episode. Today we're gonna talk about law and crime. Whether you enjoy watching crime dramas or you just simply read news stories or you want to understand legal rights, legal English comes up far more often than you think. Today I'm gonna give you 3 useful common phrases that describe how rules are upheld and what happens when they are broken. Welcome to English Bullet, the channel in which fire up your day with practical English and powerful motivation for your business and life. Having used English in business for almost 30 years, I'm here to share what I've learned. Let's get started. The first phrase, the first bullet, to press charges. It means to officially accuse someone of committing a crime so they're formally prosecuted in the court of law. It's a very common phrase in legal thrillers, police dramas, or world news reports. For instance, the shop owner decided not to press charges after the teenager returned the stolen item. Or, if you want the police to take action, you must come to the station and press charges.
If you want the police to take action, you will need to come to the station and press charges.
The second phrase, the second bullet, to be caught red-handed. It means to be caught in the exact moment of doing something illegal, wrong, or deceptive. It can be used for major crimes or minor everyday misbehaviors. For instance, the worker denied taking the stolen money, but he was caught red-handed by the security camera footage, which means it was recorded. The exact moment that he was taking the money, that was stealing the money, was recorded on the camera footage. So if he was caught red-handed, they had the proof, it was recorded. They could see him doing that. Or the child was caught red-handed with his fingers in the cookie jar.
He tried to deny taking the missing money, but he was caught red-handed on security camera footage.
And the last phrase and the last bullet, to comply with safety or regulations. It means to follow certain rules, requests, law, orders. It means to follow, to act in accordance with official regulations. It can be widely used in business contracts, in workplace health and safety, or in legal affairs. For instance, all international exports must comply with strict safety regulations. Or failure to comply with the terms of the contract could lead to legal penalties. To comply with, to act in accordance with something.
Failure to comply with the terms of the contract could lead to legal penalties.
So to sum up, today we've covered pressing charges for illegal acts, catching someone red-handed as he or she was committing a crime, and complying, making sure contracts or business comply with regulations. Remember, rules give structure to society, but discipline gives structures to your dreams. Stay committed to your learning routine and comply with your own goals, and justice will be served in the form of fluency. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I hope you enjoyed the phrases. I hope you're gonna now start using or keep using those more widely. And if so, share this video with your family and friends and subscribe to the channel.